Welcome back to Butterfly Art and Craft channel. In this video we are going to see about the pictures of the DPs. You can use it for your Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram and any other social media. If you like this video, subscribe to Butterfly Art and Craft channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification for new videos. In this video, I upload the different types of flowers pictures and colorful pictures. I upload all the pictures are HD. You can take it as a screenshot and you can use it for your social media. If you like this video, share to your friends and relatives and comment below which picture you like the most. Don't skip the video, watch till the end. I upload different beautiful and cute pictures. I upload the colorful flower pictures and unique pictures. If you have a free time, visit my channel and I upload a lot of WhatsApp DPs pictures. You can use it for your mobile wallpaper, WhatsApp DPs, etc. In this video, I upload aesthetic flower pictures. You can use it for your DPs. It's look very beautiful. Comment below which picture you like the most. I hope all you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down. Thank you.